What's good, BFM? This is Bigtone coming at you from Bigtone Productions, Beats and Feasts. You know what time it is. It's time for another cooking video. And today I decided to have a little bit of fun. So we're going to do what I'm calling BBQ Coca-Cola chicken wings. So sit back, go get your popcorn, watch the video, enjoy it. And if you like it, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share the video. Let's get started with some BBQ Coca-Cola wings. So the supporting cast for this is very simple. Of course, we got to have the chicken wings. So I've got what they said was 5 pounds of chicken wings here. I think they were doing frozen weight. But anyways, 5 pounds of chicken wings they say. I got my Coca-Cola. I'm not getting paid for saying Coca-Cola, so you should pay me. We got some seasoning salt, a little bit of garlic powder, some black pepper, some soy sauce. Now this is replacing my pink Himalayan that you normally see me using. I got some barbecue sauce. I got Stubbs today. It's probably my second favorite barbecue sauce, but I like it. And one thing that I forgot, gonna be putting a little bit of squeezed minced ginger in there. So that's all the ingredients, and it's real simple. You just throw it in the pressure cooker, let it go. So let's get started. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna season these up a little bit, and this is an option that you can choose whether or not you want to do or not. But I'm going to put a little bit of soy sauce all over these wings. You can even marinate overnight or a few hours beforehand. I'm just choosing to use a little bit now. So like I said, that's my salt substitute. And we're going to mix these in here real good. Adds a total different type of flavor. Of course, it's soy sauce, so we're going to mix those around in there. And we're going to throw in some black pepper. A little bit of garlic powder. And a little bit of seasoning salt. Not a lot. There we go. So we're going to mix this up, and I might throw a little bit more on here once I mix them up a little bit better. Oh yeah, you can smell it. A little bit more garlic powder and a little bit more pepper. There we go. Mix this up. So there you have it. Chicken wings have been seasoned. So from here, we're just going to head right on over to the pressure cooker, and we're just going to dump everything in. So we're over here at the pressure cooker. As you can see, I got my wings in there. So next thing I'm going to add is my barbecue sauce. You can add as much or as little as you want of this. I'm only going to add probably about half a bottle of this, because I don't want it to take away from the flavor of the Coca-Cola. And then I'm going to add a little bit of ginger. And here comes the Coca-Cola. Alright, the Coca-Cola I'm going to put in 2 cups and see what it looks like after. Alright, so this is 2 cups of Coca-Cola. And I'm going to put in another cup. So it'll be a total of 3. Alright, here's the 3rd cup. Alright, so we're just going to mix this around in here just a little bit to get everything nicely incorporated. There we go. Alright, and we're just going to pop the lid on. This is how easy this is. We're going to lock it down. If you see my other videos, you know, just line the line up with the arrow, and I'll get you a better shot of the front so we can turn it on. If you have the same pressure cooker as I do, it has a setting for a soup stew button. That's what we're going to be using. It sets it automatically at 10 minutes, and from that point, we just walk away. So here's the soup stew button. 10 minutes, I'm walking away. You're going to see it start going around and around. There we go. So it's going to take a minute to build up pressure. I'll be back in 10 minutes. We'll release the pressure. Then I'll show you how we make this the Coca-Cola wings. It's been 10 minutes. I released the pressure. And the wings, look at them. Ah, perfect. Meat is still tender on there. Not totally falling off, but it's gonna fall off in your mouth. All right, so with these wings, we're gonna take them out and we're gonna put them on a rack. And then I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I do with the extra sauce that's in here so we can glaze them up. I got all the wings, here they are. You can see them, they're all on a rack here. So then I have my leftover sauce that's in the power pressure cooker. So what I'm gonna do from here is I'm not gonna let that sauce go to waste. I'm gonna turn my pressure cooker back on. We're gonna turn it on high in the simmer mode. And inside of here, I've got some barbecue sauce and some Coca-Cola and some cornstarch. So we're gonna use this as a thickening agent. So we're gonna let this get hot, start to bubble. Then we're gonna pour that in there and we're gonna thicken this up and we're gonna use that to glaze onto the chicken wings. So all this is about a half a cup of Coca-Cola. The rest of it is cornstarch and barbecue sauce. We're just gonna add that to there. All right, so I've added my slurry to it, my Coke, my cornstarch, and it's boiling up here. It's getting a little thicker. Let's see if it gets as thick as I want. If not, then I'll just add a little bit more Coke, cornstarch to it, and make it a little bit thicker so we can glaze the wings with it. And then the wings are gonna go into about a 450 to 500 degree oven, a broil, just so they can get a nice harder or texture on the outside. Alright, so let me add a little bit more cornstarch to this, okay? So as you can see, the sauce is thickened up nicely. So I turned off my pressure cooker, and we're gonna spread these on the wings here and get them sauced up before we put them in the oven. See, I got my wings laid out here, and we're gonna get the sauce in. Take your time and just sauce each wing one at a time. Be liberal with the sauce. You got plenty of it. Now sometimes I will go ahead and I'll add a little bit more barbecue sauce to my sauce if I want it that way, but I think this is good the way it is. And we're just gonna sauce all these wings, and then we're gonna put them in, like I said, a 450 to 500 degree broiling oven so we can get that crispy exterior like wings need. There you go, the wings are all sauced up. I'm gonna put them in for about 5-7 minutes, flip them over, sauce them again on the other side, put them back in for about another 5-7 minutes, and then I'll plate them up for you guys. So let me put these in the oven. About 7 minutes in the oven, you get the color that you need. So that oven step is very important. So all I'm gonna do now is flip them over, because I want to get the other sides the same way. And then we're gonna sauce this side, and then I'm gonna plate them up for you. So let me get the flipping, then I'm throwing them back in the oven. There we go, plated up. Ooh, you know what I'm waiting for. I ain't even gotta say it. Boy, that looks so good. I can't wait to get one of those legs in there. I want you guys to hashtag. I want you guys to put down in the description and hashtag whether you like the legs or the flats better. I personally like the legs better, or the dumbs, or whatever you want to call them. But you let me know whether you like the legs or the flats better down in the comments. And hashtag it. Guys, I'm going to get that bite. You know what I'm going to do. There you go. Barbecued Coca-Cola chicken wings in the power pressure cooker, guys. I don't have too much to say except for I'm getting that bite. Let me get one of these legs. You know I like that the best. Oh my God, they're so tender. Guys, do not forget the oven step. That is so important to get the color and the texture that you want, because the pressure cooker is just going to steam them and get the meat so tender that it falls off in your mouth like it is for me. But hey guys, if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you never miss a video. Make sure you share it, guys. And hey, this is Bigtone signing off. Peace.